Develop an advanced artistic tutorial on creating conceptual portrait series that convey specific emotions, mental states, or abstract concepts through visual metaphor. Teach conveying psychological concepts through visual elements, symbolism, and composition. Demonstrate surrealist portrait techniques that maintain human recognition. Cover color psychology in emotional portraiture. Teach layering symbolic elements with human imagery. Include techniques for creating haunting or ethereal emotional portraits. Demonstrate creating series of portraits exploring single emotional themes. This tutorial appeals to fine art photographers, conceptual artists, and artistic portraitists.